Xo'p, boshladik. Yana bugun o'sha hududlar hukmdori O'rta asr uchun, O'rta yer uchun jang. Xo'p, sizlarga o'tgan safar aytgandim, haligi qahramon yaratsa bo'ladi deb. My Heroes degan joy bor. O'sha chiqishni oldi, quitni oldi. Mana shu yerda o'ziga anaqa yasab olsa bo'ladi. Qahramon mana xohlagancha. Bu yerda soni вообще farqi yo'q. Xohlagan sonda xohlagan anaqada yaratsa bo'ladi. Mana odam, bu Gondorda belgisi, mana daraxt, elflar kamon belgisi endi o'zi bilan sehrgar Gendelfga o'xshaydigan xohlagan ko'rinishini o'zgartirib, kiyimlarini o'zgartirsa bo'ladi. Gnomlar, gnom deyman, mana dvorflar ekan bular, mana dvorf deyilar ekan. Men gnom deb adashibman, gnom emas, dvorf ekan. Dvorf bilan gnomda katta farqi bor ekan. Endi men aniq detallarini bilmayman, lekin gnom bilan dvorfni ikkovi bir xil narsamiz ekan. Bu mana o'sha Mordor uchun qahramonlar bilan qo'shimcha o'sha misolman o'rta bo'yligi, past bo'yligi katta velikani ham bor o'ziga yarasha. Har bittasini o'ziga yarasha plyus minus tomonlari bor mana. Mana bunisi Mordor, bunisi menimcha Isengradga to'g'ri keladi yoki o'sha Luboyga menimcha yovuzlarga mana shu monovi sehrgarlarda ham mana yovuz tomonlarini ishlatsa bo'laveradi. Mana misol mana yovuz sehrgari ham bor o'ziga yarasha. Har xil mana bunda ham qiz bola o'g'il bolasi bor. Bunda ham mana qiz bola o'g'il bolasi bor. Gnom dvorflarda unaqa emas, lekin faqat mana soqolli, qari va yoshroq. Ularni ko'rdik. Bularni ham ko'rdik. Xullas, bemalol o'sha yerda yaratsa bo'ladi. Biz o'yinga qaytamiz. Уже elf bo'lib ko'rdik. Endi dvorflar bo'lib ko'ramiz. Randomli anaqa bilan normalniroq yo'l tanlaymiz. Xo'p, shu yerda tanlasak-chi. O'rmonlar orasida faqat ikkitasi. Qani boshladik. Bu safar dvorflar bo'lib ko'ramiz. Xo'sh, o'ziga yarasha bularda ham yaxshi taraflari bor. Dvorflar bo'ypagani bo'lgani bilan yaxshi jangchilar va yaxshi ixtirochilar. Endi inglizcha bo'lganiga e'tibor bermaymiz. Chunki ingliz tili menda shunaqa bo'lib qolgan. O'zi qanaqadir rus tilida bo'ladi, skachat qilsanglar. Mana Gimli kinodagi, mana Dayan, bu Hobbitda chiqadi, mana Uzuklar hukmdorida Gimli bor, haligi o'sha Aragorn va Dagoslar bilan yuradigan. Bu Gimlida dadasi Hobbitda o'ynagan, mana Glion bor. Bu o'zimiz ashona yaratilgan qahramonlardan. Bu hech qaysi anaqa turkumga kirmaydi, faqat o'sha yaratilgan namunalardan bittasi. Hop, dushman уже sразу bostirishni boshlaydi. Men bekarga buni olmadim. O'sha buzilgan uylarni remont qilish uchun shunaqa narsa kerak bo'ladi, chunki bu generalga o'xshab ustalari uylarni remont qila olmaydi, faqatgina o't yonsa ustiga sepib qoladi xolos. Bitta remont qilib anaqa qilishi bularda to'g'risini aytsam qandaydir shu narsani tashlab ketilganmi, materiallar yo'q qilinmagan bu o'yinni qiyinlashtirish uchun. Shunisiga hayron. Meni endi plet bunaqa qilishimdan maqsad, uzoqroq qo'yishimdan maqsad o'sha foizi yaxshi bo'lsa anaqa bo'ladi. Foizi balandroq bo'lsa ko'proq pul beradi degan maqsadda. Aslan shuning uchun. Yonma-yon hali generalda bo'ladi-yu, yonma-yon qurib qo'ysiz ham pul keltira oladi. Masalan, hali fishkalar bor, Amerikani haligi pul tashlaydigan punktlari bor. Odamlarga qarshi ekanmiz bu safar.
Some fighting. Protect the mine shaft. They attack. The phalanx will bring some order.
Esinglarda bo'lsa Instagram Isengrad вообще kuchli edi. Bir pasda mana shunaqalar buzib berardi. Chunki ulardagi urug' hay nisbatan Mordordagi o'sha trollariga nisbatan kuchliroq ular.
To your places. Keep in step. Forward.
Xo'p, bu yerda yana
We're
Ana.
done with the forge works. The phalanx will bring some order.
o'zimiz askarlar
Where do I go with
ko'paytirsak
these?
birinchi o'rinda, qolgani sekin bo'laveradi.
Give us some room. Just taking a breather.
Dushmandan himoyalanishni boshlashimiz kerak уже.
We've expanded the
Chunki
archery
mana
range.
Man of Dale, ya'ni o'sha
It's
yerda
the enemy.
Dale degan shahar bo'lgan, o'sha gnomlar bilan birgalikda yashagan odamlar Dale odamlari deyiladi. O'sha Dale degan shaharda, ya'ni o'shalar mana gnomlar tarafidan qatnashishadi ular.
Keep those spears ready.
Dwarflar.
Stay here. Let's get in there. Form up, phalanx. Positions. To your places.
Dwarflar o'sha bizga katta yordam berishadi.
Where's the build site?
Xullas bu yerda hammasi bir-birini qo'llashadi. Tufayli yutib ketishadi. Odamlarda bitta kinoda ahamiyat bergan bo'lsa, tarqoqlik paydo bo'lgan o'sha payt o'zida.
Push the offensive.
Roharim alohida bo'lib ketgan, Roharim bilan Gondor ishi bo'lmagan, Gondor bilan Roharim ishi bo'lmagan, xullas odamlar вообще qolib ketgan kinoda.
Phalanx. We shall wait. Break it off.
Kinoda bizga shu narsani ko'rsatib berishgan. Endi kinoda ahamiyat berib ko'rgan bo'lsanglar, ancha
They're attacking.
tushunib yetishinglar mumkin.
Keep those spears ready. The are in danger. Stay together, explorers. Just as we like them.
Sirazi o'sha biz askarlarimiz o'lib ketishyapti, ularni himoya
Maintain
qilish uchun.
positions. There.
Yo'q.
They attack. Spears. There's plenty of work to go around. Here, have another axe. There's enough for everybody. Who called for some guardians?
Tezda o'sha
Get
kelishyapti.
in there! We've expanded the forge works.
Juda kuchli
We
bo'lib
can't
ketishgan,
see where
qanday
it's
qilish.
coming from. Grab your weapons. Is this all of it? Hold your fire. Dwarves.
Dwarfs deyapman o'zlari ham.
Build site.
Shu dwarfs deyishdan maqsad ular dwarf, ya'ni gnom emas bular. Gnomes deyarli bo'lmasam.
Who called for some guardians fighting?
Archers of Dale!
Mana Archers of Dale.
You know what to do.
They may be near.
There's plenty of work to go around. Build it. How about some fighting?
O'yinda o'zi bizga podkastka beryapti. O'sha biz mayitlimiz, mayitlanmiz deb turibmiz o'zi.
We're low on resources.
Aytib berib turishibdi.
Buildings. If Penn the Builder, our weapons come with these. Dwarves. The phalanx will bring some order. Gotta move on. They're attacking. How about some fighting? Bring them closer. Where is the build site? Gather some axes, dwarves. Let's go building what we can. Axe thrower! To your places! Forward! Close in! I expected Keep more. Those spears ready. Stay together, axe throwers! Grab your weapons! Up, dwarves! Gather some axes, dwarves! Get moving!
Birinchi parishda menimcha kuchayibroq yoki ko'proq bo'lib kelishadi.
Let's get in there!
Bekarga emas bu.
How about some fighting? We shall wait.
Dushmanda ham o'zini rejasi bor. U ham sun'iy intellekt bo'lsa ham zato o'ziga yarasha aqli bor deydi-yu. Hozir o'zi ko'rilyapti. Sun'iy intellektlar har xilidan chiqib ketyapti.
We have the best materials.
Borgan sari aqlli bo'lib
They'll
ketyapti sun'iy
destroy our
intellektlar.
world. Keep those spears ready.
There's plenty of work to go around.
We're under attack.
Gather
Let's
some
get in
axes,
there.
dwarves.
Forward.
Stay alert now. Move it out.
Maintain positions. Push the offensive. They're going after our builder. Assail them.
Fine craftsmanship.
Give us some room. We have the best materials. Positions. Axes. It's them. The
Stay
enemy.
alert now.
Form up, phalanx! Charge! Weapons, dwarves! Weapons!
There's
How
plenty
dare
of
they
work to
attack the
go
builder?
around.
Let's be on our way.
Fine
To
craftsmanship.
your places! Push the offensive! Who called for some guardians? To arms! How about some fighting? Ah! Form up, Blades up! Stand tall,
Pick up your
Pharaohs!
bows,
Let's
men.
get in there!
Archers.
To your places!
Where is the build site? Dwarven skill.
Protect the mine shaft! Now keep them back! We have the best materials! Here we go.
Where do I go with these?
We shall wait. Now for some real fighting.
There's plenty of work to go around.
Our structures! Hurry!
Fine craftsmanship.
To arms! They're
Keep
attacking
those
our
axes
resources!
ready.
How's this one?
Stay together, axe throwers.
Let's get in there! We have plenty to go around. This way, dwarves! We have the best materials. Clear the way! Pick up your bows, men! Ready, men? Keep going. The phalanx will bring some order. They're attacking! Positions! Get in range! Now look at them! You see? Grab your weapons! Again! To your places! Engage them! Keep those spears ready! Stand tall, Phalanx! With this one? Blades up! The phalanx will
Where
bring
is the
some
build
order.
site?
Arms! Here we go. Form up, phalanx! To your places! Keep those spears ready! We've expanded the Hall of Warriors! Positions! Keep in step! Let's
Come
get
together.
in there!
Keep those
Form
axes
up,
ready.
phalanx!
They may be near.
The phalanx will bring some order. We can't stay here!
Let's get to work.
We've expanded the archery range. Protect the mine shaft.
Positions! Line it up!
Our
Get a
forces
move
are at full
on.
strength.
We've
Expanded the Hall of Warriors.
Where do I go with these?
That'll work. We've got a wagon ready here. Let's make a run.
Hozir endi sekin kuchaytirib olsak. Mana o'zini remont qilish ham boshlanadi sekin-sekin. Hozir birdaniga qo'shilmagan hammasi. Sekin-sekin bo'lyapti. Limitimiz ham to'lib qolibdi уже. Mola 60 tanaga hammasi почти. Bitta ham qira yo'q ekan. Mola qira shekilli desam 25 ekan bular. Katapulta bilan mononisi. Yaxshi.
We have the flaming arrows now.
Sal arzonroq bo'lgani ham
They've picked
yaxshi.
up the ring.
Uzukni topishibdi, уже biz hujumga o'tishimiz kerak demak. Chunki uzuk ancha kuch beradi ularga.
Where is the build site?
Coming through. We got it covered. Wagons ready. There, that way.
We're under attack. We've let them take the ring. The Guardians can
Clear
use the
places.
siege hammers now.
Tighten up, dwarves.
We have the best materials. Let's be on our way. Fine stonework on that one.
Positions.
Grab your weapons.
Form up, phalanx.
Archers! Let's go!
To your places.
Stay together, axe throwers!
Keep those axes
Men of
ready.
Gale! With dwarven
Be ready,
skill.
archers. Stay with me. The enemy's
Where is the
here.
build site?
Ready your weapons.
Form up, phalanx.
They attack.
Where do I go with these?
Axes. To your places.
Уже mana ancha kuchaytirib olsak bo'ladi.
Fine craftsmanship.
Maytdan уже mana uni bolg'ani oldik, maytdan archer chiqarsak bo'ladi yana. Kuchaytirsak bo'ladi va anaqamizni minoramizni o'zimizni qasrimizni anaqaga.
Where is the build site?
U kelyapti.
Fine craftsmanship.
They're tearing our buildings down. Defend the builder. They've slain the builder.
Line it up. Go forth.
Charge! To arms!
Bular ham dadil hujum qilyapti. Biz ham dadil urushga o'tib oldik.
Stay together, axe throwers! Have an arrow ready.
Yangi gruppamiz ham chiqdi. Hoppa, уже Karol Daynni chaqiramiz. Karol Dayn kerak bizga. Karol Dayn.
They're attacking the mines. They're
Kuchli
attacking.
sarkarda.
Stand tall, phalanx. Tighten up,
the enemy.
dwarves. Line it up. Form up, phalanx. There.
Va kuchayish bor. Hop. Buni olib tursak.
To arms!
Nog'ora. Askarlarimizga kuch bag'ishlaydi.
Ready.
Dadillik ruhini beradi. Dadillik.
Engage them! I, King Dane, will nothing stand
Qarg'ul
strong in the
Dain
might of
keldi.
the dwarves.
Qarg'ul Dain.
Keep those spears ready.
Push the
King
offensive!
Dain.
They'll crush us!
Attack! I stand
Hakratsiz kerak ediz. Qarg'ul Dain keling.
Ready, dwarves!
Poyez askarlaringiz o'zingiz yetaning.
Go!
Biz sizga
How
ishonamiz.
about some fighting?
We must protect our own. There they are. The dwarves will have something to say about this.
Shuncha askar sizni kutyapti o'zi. Katapultalar ham yetalab kelishdi mana. Qarg'ul Dain. Keling endi.
Now is the time.
We have the forged blades! We're under attack!
Bring them closer to me.
Ikkinchi o'yin bo'ldi mana Qarg'ul Dain bir pasda. Sekin уже zamona kamonchilarni o'zimiz safimizga qo'shishni boshlaymiz.
You'll be safe in my company.
Steady your bows! Another volley!
These are of no worry. There they are.
Fine stonework on that one. They're attacking!
For the Iron Hills. We'll make sport of them.
Look at this. The enemy's camp.
Hoppa, mana bada fermasi bor ekan o'sha. Fermasini yo'q qilib yuboramiz hozir. Raz mana shu yerda o'zida katapulta fermani ham bitta hammasini yo'qotamiz. Bu yaramaslar o'sha kelyapti shu yoqqacha. Xaritani yarmini egallayman deyapti bular. Biz raz bu yerdan hozir bularni chopamiz. Bo'lsa
I'll show them
bo'lmayapti.
what dwarves do best.
Bu to'plab anaqa qilaveramiz, orqamizdan kelishaveradi bular ham. Biz ham askarlarimizni ko'paytiramiz ekan bu. Sig'may qolyapti. 1,5 ming qilsa
We
shuni
must
olamiz.
protect our own.
Hoppa, maytga keldingizmi endi ishani? Hammasini yo'q qilib yuboraman.
We'll make sport of them.
Rom yo'q yuboraylik. Yo, ikkita-yu. Bemalol eplab yuboradi bular.
Pick up your bows, men!
The
We're
phalanx
finished
will
with the
bring some
mithril
order.
mail!
Forge ahead.
We're under attack!
Aytdim, eplab yuboradi.
Go forth.
Come together! Keep your heads up!
Qarg'ul Dain. O'zingiz ayab ish qiling.
The phalanx will bring some order.
O'zingiz polностью o'ldirib qo'ymayman shu yerda o'zida.
Let me in front.
Siz bizga keraksiz. Hali himoyamiz yaxshimiz.
Now is the time.
Ular tez bostirib kelishyapti. Bizga hozir yordamga hobbitlar boradi. Qarg'ul Dain.
Who'll call for some guardian? Look at this! The enemy's camp!
Remove their
Ana.
heads.
Qarg'ul Dain 6-level bo'ldi shu mana. Joyida Qarg'ul Dain. Oho, mana bu yerda bazalari ham bor ekan.
I'll show them what dwarves do best.
Mana yerda sekin remont qilamiz. Mana polностью to'lib
They're
qoladi shu bilan.
attacking!
For the Iron Hills.
Who'll call for
Sразу.
some guardians?
There they are.
Form up! Grab your weapons! Have an arrow ready.
To your places.
Ready, men? Let's go! How about some fighting?
Pul yetmayapti уже. Qaytinglar endi bu yerga.
Let's get in there! We're under attack! Men of Dales! The enemy's
Form
here!
up,
How about
phalanx.
some fighting?
Positions.
Archers of Dale! Mines!
Axes. Form up, phalanx.
Archers! We shall wait. Ready, men? Sheriffs! Stay alert now.
ready, archers? We shall wait.
Ko'paytirib olamiz bir yo'la. Hammasini ko'paytirib, jonini to'ldirib,
Nothing
qaytamiz
stands
bir
taller
yo'la.
than the might of the dwarves. Axe thrower! Keep those axes ready!
To'g'risi, bo'lmasam hozir yana bekardan shuncha askarni borib o'ldirib, o'sha yerda tugatib qaytib kelamizda.
Come together.
Undan ko'ra, mana shu yerda o'zbekcha kuch to'plab, yana qaytadan hujum qilganimiz
Archers of Dale.
yaxshi. O'ziga yarasha hammasini strategiyasi bor. Aql bilan qilingan ish aqlga yaxshi yoqadi, deydi.
Ah, yes, that will do it.
Hozir mana yana chiqaramiz bularni. Katapulta chiqaramiz mana.
I know that smell. It's the enemy. They attack.
You'll be safe in my company. Stand strong, my bearded friends.
We have reached our command limit.
Phalanx
Our
will bring some
structures.
order.
Hurry!
To your places. Fight proud today.
Ular o'zlaricha mana shu 3ta bashnani yo'q qilib yuboraman deb keldi
Form up
shunchasi.
phalanx.
Qanday yo'q qilarkan,
Stand
endi
strong, my bearded
tushunmadim
friends.
bular.
Come on now. Over here. To your places.
Hoppa, limit to'libdi.
I stand
Bu
as your
tushunchani
king.
o'zi bilan ham boraveramiz.
Come forward, dwarves.
Ba'zi normalniy himoyada o'ta kuchli emas, to'g'ri.
Waiting for this. Pick up
Lekin
those
normalniy.
gears.
What about these goblins over here? They're attacking!
I'll show them what dwarves do best.
There's their buildings!
Qaror Dayn o'zi ham mana bizda kuchlik. Mana ancha munchasini yo'q qilib yuboradi bitta o'zi. Munchasiga bas keladigan Qarordan. Qaror Dayn o'zi. Qaror Dayn o'ziga ham ishonib qo'yamiz ancha muncha joylar. O'zi eplab oladigan.
I've been waiting for
Baho
this.
o'ta kuchli, ancha munchasiga
To the
bas
Iron
keladi.
Hills.
7-urin o'zi mana otaxon. Baraka topsin umri.
We'll make sport of
Yancha bir
them.
200-300 yoshga kirib qo'ydi ota. Ota xalq uchun hamma narsa qildi deydi.
Flaming boulders
I'll
are
show
ready!
them what dwarves do best. You'll be safe in my company.
For us.
Hoppa, endi yo'qmi?
They attack!
Nima bu? Mashina tanlasak, osmondan postlay oladi, postlay.
There's their buildings!
Kelmay qoldi.
Over there. There they are.
Aytyapman-ku, kelmay qoldi deydi.
I'll show them what dwarves do best. Haha! Now is the time.
We're under attack!
Haha! Let me in front. They won't return after this. We'll make sport of them.
They've built up here already!
For the Iron Hills.
Ancha muncha uyini ozib, yo'q, aniq jonini ozaytirib olamiz. Buzish osonroq bo'ladi nisbatan.
Rip it down.
To arms!
Shuncha askar bilan keldik. Endi qo'l ketmaymiz, to'g'ri. Uncha bir nechta uyini yo'q qilamizda.
This one's in our way. Haha! Now is the time. I'll show them what dwarves do best.
Kerak bo'lsa shu yerda o'ziga baza qurib olamiz, asadbek esa-chi.
Make room for the dwarves. For the Iron
They
Hills.
attack!
Na, hozir mana ham to'lib qolay debdi. Bunday baza qurib olamiz shu yerda o'ziga.
Rip it
O'zimiz
down.
mana shu yerdan himoyalab qolamiz.
I've been waiting for this.
Katapultalar son вообще ko'paytirib yuboribdi bular. Har qadamga katapulta bo'lib qo'yibdi. Masenga uka. Kerak bo'lsa bazen orasidan ochib chiqamiz katapulta.
Haha! Now is the time!
Weapons, dwarves!
Hobbitlar ham bor
Weapons!
bizda. Yordam ham kelishadi ular.
Make room for the dwarves!
Katapultni yo'qotib yuboraylik. Birinchi o'rinda shu bonga tegadi. Eng asabga tegadi.
For the Iron Hills! This one's in our way! Haha! Now is the time!
Hozir mashetni o'zida yo'q qilib yuboramiz hammasini. Bittada yo'q qilamiz. Opa. Turaylik shu bo'pti. Yana 5
Make room
bo'lsa.
for the dwarves!
Hozir asosiy bazasini yo'q qilib yuboramiz. Qal'a qulasa bo'ldi, ular hech narsa qila olmaydi. Qal'a
We'll make sport of them!
xohlaganini qilsin, qo'lidan kelganini qilsin. Qal'asi quladi mana.
There they are!
Askarlari qancha ko'p bo'lgani bilan endi umuman foyda yo'q. Bo'ldi endi. Qaror Dayn Asadbek mana shu eng cho'qqisiga chiqdi o'zi.
To arms!
9-level, yana bitta leveldan keyin bemalol.
Let me in front! Bring them closer to me!
Hobbitchalarimiz ham bor yana.
They won't return after this!
Hozir yutamiz mana. Tugadi, aytdim-ku. Bir dona haligi askar chiqargan
Get the
uyini
ring back to camp!
yutsak bo'ldi, qolgan hammasi tugadi. Hammasi tugadi mana. Bugun dwarflar bo'lib ko'rdik. Yana keyingi safar xudo xohlasa mana Isingrad, Mordor va goblinlar bor. Yana ikkita rassa bor. Ularni ham keyingi safar ko'rib chiqamiz. Buguncha shu. Keyingi videoda ko'rishguncha.